Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
From everyone at the station, happy holidays.
Happy holidays! 73 days to go before Christmas. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome. Bandera Night Jams, Lunes na naman. We're back. Pag weekend kasi nawawala tayo, no? Yung Bandera Night Jam, pahinga. Yeah, Monday to Thursday lang naman, syempre naman. The guy needs his rest as well. Ayan. Good evening everybody. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. How you guys doing? Kamusta ba? Na-miss ko kayong lahat ha. Pahinga tayo ng Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Ganyan talaga. Syempre naman. Kailangan din magpahinga. Diba? Sabi nga, may kasabihan tayo diba? All work and no play, kung matinik ay malalim. Sabi nga. Okay, teka, ano nangyari? Where's my sound effect? Nawala yung sound effect ko All right. But anyways, yeah. Okay. I think this is the one. Okay. There you go. It's back. Okay, ayan. Once again, testing. Oh, there you go. It's back. Okay, sabi nga, ano yung sinabi ko kanina? All work and no play kung sa simbahan din ang tuloy. Speaking of simbahan din ang tuloy, matagal nang tumuloy sa simbahan. We had our 29th anniversary over the weekend. Actually, yesterday was our 29th anniversary ni Mahal. So, Mahal, happy 29th to you. I love you so much. Bakit nung nag-I love you ako, tumawa tong linchak na to? Yan. It's supposed to be the clapping thingy. 29 years, yes. So, paminsan-minsan nagugulat na rin ako pagising. Ikaw na naman. Pag masyado na kayo matagal, ganun nagkakagulatan kayo minsan kasi pag dilat mo siya na naman Okay. Yeah, well, when you find the right one, it's time to pinch that tent. So, how you guys doing? Alam nyo bang 73 days to go na lang before Christmas? Uy, malapit na yan. 73 days to go. Wow. Mabilis na lang yan, That's gonna be real quick. It's gonna be real quick, di ba? Ano na lang yan 2 months and 13 days to go. Sabi nga ni Doc Kenneth kanina ng may katok. May katok si Doc Kenneth. Dahil may kausap siya. Yun, may katok. Sabi nga niya, ano ba yung sabi niya? May sinabi siyang importante pero di ko maalala. Ayun, naalala ko na. Monday the 13th ngayon. So, 2 months and 13 days to go. Para sa ating pinakahihintay na Kapaskuhan. 73 days to go before Christmas. Wow! And with that, from all of us here at the station, lahat kami ay nagwiwika para sa inyo ng
FM Olongapo.
From everyone at the station, happy holidays.
Happy holidays, everybody. Yeah, that's gonna be real quick. Time for me to give you today's holidays and observances. As usual, of course, it's October 13, 2025. Anong kaganapan sa October 13? May lindol ba? Lumindol ba itong araw na to? Wala naman, Buti naman, wala naman. Sa totoo lang, nakaka-shokot na yan, Sobra na, araw-araw na. Alam nyo, in Metro Manila, walang pasok ngayon. In some places in Manila, Visayas, and Mindanao. Well, mostly sa NCR kasi, nagkalat daw ang influenza and other flu-like symptoms sa mga estudyante, sa mga kabataan, di ba? Hindi lahat, hindi buong NCR. May mga lugar-lugar lang. Hindi ko sa ulado pero mamaya hanapin ko para sa inyo. 13 and 14, up to 15 pa nga yata, wala silang pasok. Yung karamihan naman sa Visayas and Mindanao because of the sunod-sunod na earthquake assessment that the government is gonna be doing. Yan yung DOST, PVOX, yung mga pinagsamang ahensya ng gobyerno that is their concern, Okay? So, hindi kasama ang Olongapo Although kasama yung Zambales in some of the areas na walang pasok, nakita ko Zambales nakalagay Pero sa Olongapo kasi they need to, kung gusto sumama ng Olongapo, they need to declare it. However, the schools, they have the right to, yung school administrators, lalo na sa private, Okay, sa public naman, ayan, the city, kung dineclare ng city or ng DepEd dito, di ba? Pwede. Okay, so hindi naman dineclare. I'm not saying na baka sabihin nyo, narinig ko kay Tommy G, walang pasok. Wala ko sinabi. Sabi ko kung dineclare. Pero ang naging declaration nga, yun nga, in some places in NCR, yan, okay. Para sa, they're gonna be checking bakit may kumakalat na parang flu-like symptoms na, sakit, tinatrangkaso. Even my son, for this entire week, ito nakaraang week, halos buong week hindi siya nakapasok. Tinangkaso siya eh. I don't know. Hopefully, hindi yun yung tinitingnan ng ngayon, ng Department of Health. Yun, may tinitingnan daw sila na ang daming nagkaroon ng flu. Influenza and other flu-like symptoms na sakit. Ang dami. Kaya nag-cancel ng classes muna. But they're not declaring anything pa, ha? Chine-check pa lang, tinitingnan. Okay, moving on. October 13, 2025, today's holidays and observances. Let me tell you what's going on. And this is being brought to you, of course, by Angel's Pizza, Olongapo City. All right, they are inviting you. Ito meron silang special Angel's Pizza bundle promo. Get 2 big family size pizza, any flavors 2 big family size. Okay? May iba-iba silang sizes di ba? Pero ito, get 2 big family pizza, any flavors, and get a free medium pizza. Okay? Plus free 1 liter lychee lemonade and a lifetime APC loyalty card for only 1,049 pesos. Yung lifetime APC card entitles you to buy one, take one forever. Buti pa sa Angel's Pizza, may forever. Sila lang ang may ganyan. Pag nag-avail ka ng totoo ito, hindi to talkies, hindi to biro. Pag in-avail mo yung APC card nila, Angel's Pizza card, loyalty card, meron silang offer doon na buy one, take one forever ng pizza. Okay? Hindi nga lang lahat, pero syempre, buy one, take one, still, buy one, take one pa rin yun. Okay? For more details about this, well, visit them. Okay? They are located at number 395 Fendler Street, Rizal Avenue Extension. You may call or text 0927-117-9020 for inquiries. Okay? And pwede na rin O pwede na rin umorder via the Grab Food and Food Panda. Just be sure to install the Angel's Pizza app. Okay? And visit their Facebook page to see the official menu para makita niyo yung menu nila. And on with today's October 13 holidays and observances. Okay? Let me check what's going on for October 13. Ito, we have quite a lot. Today is International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction. Okay? So, ngayon pala to, Tama-tama. Kaya siguro, in line with the suspension of classes sa mga lugar na ina-assess yung sunod-sunod na paglindol, Na timingan pa. But yeah, International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction. It's such a tall job to do, Yung if you're part of the committee, part of the head of the Disaster Risk Reduction Committee, Yes. All right. And also, October 13 is Indigenous Peoples Day, International. English Language Day, International Day for Disaster Reduction, related to that. Breast Cancer Awareness Day, Metastatic Breast Cancer Awareness Day. Chess Day, chess the board game, okay? And today is also No Bra Day. Inobserve niyo ba to, ladies? Kailangan, No Bra Day today. October 13. Online Banking Day, Native American Day, aka the Indians. Indian like, woo! Not Indian, take support. Hindi yun. That one. The other Indians, Native American Day, yeah. And today is also Silly Sayings Day. Kayo, meron ba kayong silly sayings na paborito? Yeah, isa na sa silly sayings yung kanina yung sinabi ko. Yung ang maglakad ng matulin sa simbahan din ang tuloy. Aanhin pa ang damo kung matinik ay malalim. Silly sayings. Yeah. World Thrombosis Day. You know what thrombosis is? It's like similar to, when we say thrombosis, that's what happened to Fernando Poe Jr. You guys remember? Yung pagputok ng main artery ng ugat. Similar to, it's kind of related to stroke, the thrombosis. Okay? Alright? So there you have it, just a few holidays and observances for you, October 13, 2025.